Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to 5 Minutes with R. Can you learn a powerful new data science skill in just a few minutes a day? Over the last 2 weeks, we've put that idea to the test with my 5 Minutes with R series. We've gone from the absolute basics to some truly advanced applications. Today, we're going to do a special recap of the entire 2 week journey. We'll revisit the key concepts and most importantly, I'll highlight the specific R packages we used so far so you can add them to your own data science toolkit. Now, we kicked things off with the fundamentals, setting up our workspace with R and R Studios. This is the powerhouse of combination for anyone serious about data analysis in R. But once we were set up, we jumped straight into the most critical skill for any data scientist, data wrangling. And for that, we use the king of all data manipulation packages, dplyr. Think of dplyr as your Swiss Army knife for data. It makes tasks like filtering rows, selecting columns, and creating new variables incredibly intuitive and easy. It's the backbone of the clean and efficient data analysis workflow. Once your data was in shape, it was time to bring in to life through visualization. For that, we turn to most popular and powerful plotting packages in our world, the ggplot2 package. Dg2 is like an artist's easel for your data. It lets you build a beautiful publication quality graphics layer by layer. We saw how we create everything from simple box plots to interactive graphs, allowing us to uncover the stories behind within our data. But what good is an analysis if you can't share it with your other colleagues? That's where we've moved into reporting and presentation. We learn how to use rmarkdown, a fantastic tool that lets you combine your codes, your plots, and the text into a single professional document. We even saw how it can be used to create reports, presentations, and interactive dashboards. We then took these skills and applied them to a real world example mapping, visualizing data geographically in incredibly powerful, especially for environmental and climate data. To do this, we use the SF package, which is the modern standard for working with spatial data in R. It made it surprisingly simple to take location data and turn it into an insightful map. As we look near the end to our 2 weeks, we explore some more specialized tools for those of you interested in biology and ecology. We dove into the vegan package. This is a go-to tool for doing complex community analysis and multivariate statistics. And for those who might be a little bit intimidated by writing codes, we explored Rcmdr, the R commander. It provides a simple point and click graphical interface for R, making data analysis much more accessible to beginners. Finally, we wrapped up by talking about modern tools like using AI assistants to help us write codes and the simple but crucial task of keeping your R version updated. So, there you have it. In just 2 weeks, we went from blank script in RStudio to wrangling data with dplyr, creating beautiful visuals with ggplot2, building professionals report with rmarkdown, and finally even exploring specialized fields like spatial analysis and ecology. It's been an incredible journey with you, and it just goes to show how much you can accomplish in R in a very short amount of time. To help you get started, I've put a list of all the key packages we discussed right here and also in the description below, along with the single line of codes you can use to install all of them. Thank you so much for joining me on this recap. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more R tutorials, and be sure to click out the full 5 minutes with our playlist. And I want to hear from you. What was your favorite topic we covered? And what do you want to learn next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy coding.